So first of all, I'm really sorry that I'm recording this in a mobile phone. I had an issue with my OBS system, so I'm really sorry. So let's get started with the project. So our project is basically a smart crop advisor. What it does is that the farmer has to input a state, let's say Assam, a district which is related to the Assam, let's say Dibrugarh, and a season, like what type of season is present at that moment of time. And so this is a first pipeline approach that we have. And the second pipeline approach that we used, so basically we used a machine learning project, machine learning oriented project. So now the farmer has to input the nitrogen, that the farmer can get the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. From there is a kit, farmer there is a kit, that is the soil nutritional value kit, which actually tells all these things. And so farmer has to input these things. Let's say potassium is 40, let's say potassium is this, phosphorus is this, temperature 26 degrees Celsius, humidity, how much the humidity is present there, and the pH 6.5. And let's say how much the rainfall has occurred over the few months, let's say it's 200 nanometers. So this is basically the prototype. What we are going next is that we are going to get the rainfall from the Google API, from the Google API that for the last few months. When I click on the get recommendation, so what it does is that it recommends us the top 6 recommended crops, what farmers can grow for their maximum yielding. So it is said that it produces rice, jute, watermelon, blackgram, apple, and banana. And for each recommended crops, it says what type of fertilizers you can use, what should be the soil preparation, what should be the pesticide, diseases, and tips. So this is basically a project, this is basically a prototype. I know that what we can improve here is that we can fetch the rainfall from the past trends. Eventually we can fetch the temperature, humidity, and temperature and humidity, and the rainfall from some sources which are used to get the past experiences of these things. So this is basically our project. This is just a prototype, and it's been created by our team at AI Ignition. So let me just go through with the code. What have we used? So first of all, we have used a two pipeline approach. The first pipeline, as you have seen, that it selects the state, district, and the season. So what it does is that for the state, for the district, for that season, it sorts out at least 20 crops which are majorly produced in that feature. So we select all those 20 crops from this crop production.csv file. It contains at least 2.4 lakh rows, and it's been we have recovered it from one of the Upaj government website, and it has data from 2009 to around 2017-18, I guess. So the first step is to get like the top 20 crops which the farmer can grow with respect to the previous trend. So this is why we need the state, district, and the season. And the second pipeline approach will be to use a machine learning model. So what machine learning model does that we, for features like nitrogen, for potassium, and phosphorus, temperature, humidity, it produces a best crop you can grow with these conditions. So we merged these two pipelines and actually created a unified pipeline that actually gets the recommendation. So from the top 20 crops that we have sorted out, it gives out top 6 crops using the nitrogen, for potassium, phosphorus, and everything. So that's it for the this thing, and thank you very much.